Hello? Is this Marvelous father?
Yes.
Okay, we kidnapped your son, and you need to pay the ransom of 2 million naira for us to release him. Unless we kill him here.
What type of
Hey,
plane is
Marvelous,
this?
take. Talk to your father so that we confirm it. Take.
Popsy, please give them what they want. Please pay the money, give them the money. If not, they will kill me here. Please.
Will you keep quiet?
Sharp. Yeah, Marvelous, change your voice back to the kidnapper, and the kidnapping mode don't want to talk. Now.
He shock you.
Are you paying the money or not? Or we should kill him?
You be mumu.
Marvelous or kidnapper, Marvelous. You want to run this kind of thing, this kidnapping stuff. You know, see friend don't go join you do am. Only they play the role of kidnapper, only you see they play the role of victim.
Photo.
No make sense now. Eh? Even the voice, you never sabi form and way.
Child.
Eh?
Mr. Man, you think I'm joking, right? I'll kill your son. Oh.
Kidnapper listing, and they give you advice. Before you go do this kind of thing, you go ask questions. And you no go kidnap yourself. If they find money, they kidnap yourself. Who won't pay the ransom? Na me.
Not be
Eh?
juju be that.
Okay, sir. It's not 2 million anymore. Just pay 50K so I'll release your son for you.
I will say I go to negotiate, I go take flog you when you reach house. You talk
Child.
about it to me, I didn't know say no work. I never know tell me try this thing. Because you suppose don't know me. Suppose no say no go work. Eh?
You gonna explain tire. Sorry, yo.
Anyway, I don't chop. You carry yourself, go put for one place, say you kidnap yourself. When the time we catch you, go run come house. Say you tell person. Bye bye.
Shit!
Sorry, yo.
Money I no see, beating I won't receive.
Photo.
This man is damn smart. When Danny kidnap himself, Papa paid the ransom of 5 million naira.
Continue.
Reach my own turn now, 2 seconds, this man don't catch me.
You be mumu.
Eh? But God, why Danny Papa go mumu? Man go come smart.
May
Eh?
God not allow them, make them kill you.
Thanks for watching. Hope you love that. Please subscribe for more videos like this. If you don't like this one, if you're gonna like the next one, I promise. Just subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you. One love. See you next time.